Hello guys, my name is Jim Chunas from Best Line Equipment, and today we're going to talk about one of the many things that we do on the sales side of business to help our independent sales teams be the professionals of the equipment in the industry that we represent. Today we've got our industrial sales team with us. Our industrial sales team manager is Donovan Ricker, and Donovan today is leading up with the help of Brian and Nate from Kärcher Floor Care, as well as Landa, some in-depth product training for our sales team, which you see behind us here today. Our teams have multiple focuses, multiple product lines that they have got to be the experts at. So this is how we do it. We bring them together, we get hands-on, and we go over the machines top to bottom. We have our factory trained reps come in. Today we've been focused on Landa products, right? Both hot water, cold water washers, as well as the Kärcher Floor Care line here. Sweepers, scrubbers, you name it. It's a very full line of product equipment and a lot of information to digest, right? So with all the technology out today, there's fantastic ways of getting things done, but oftentimes the best way to do it is just to get hands-on. Touch it, feel it, run it, know how to use it, know how to put the correct piece of equipment into the customer's hands for the correct application. So these guys have been at it here for a few hours today, so we're gonna let them finish up, wrap up, and review. But this is what we do at Best Line Equipment. We're best in sales, best in service, best in rental. Thank you very much. Have a great day.